How can I fix my auxiliary heat blowing cold air?
In this video, we'll be addressing the common issue of auxiliary heat blowing cold air. Follow these simple steps to diagnose and fix the problem, so you can enjoy a warm and cozy home during the cold months.
Why is my auxiliary heat blowing cold air?
The main reason behind your auxiliary heat blowing cold air could be a malfunctioning heat pump or a problem with the auxiliary heating system itself. To begin the troubleshooting process, you'll want to check the thermostat settings and inspect your heat pump.
Are your thermostat settings correct?
1. Ensure the thermostat is set to Heat Mode 2. Confirm the temperature setting is higher than the current room temperature 3. Make sure the fan setting is set to Auto and not On 4. Check for a AUX or Emergency Heat indicator on the thermostat. If it's lit, your auxiliary heat is active. If the settings are correct and you're still experiencing cold air, proceed to the next section.
Inspecting your heat pump.
First, safely turn off power to the heat pump by switching off the circuit breaker or disconnecting the power supply. Then, perform the following checks. 1. Inspect the outdoor unit for ice, snow, or debris blocking airflow. 2. Check for frost or ice buildup on the heat pump's coils. 3. Inspect the fan to ensure it's functioning properly. 4. Examine the refrigerant levels if you're familiar with the process.
Troubleshooting auxiliary heating issues.
If the heat pump appears to be working fine, the issue may lie with the auxiliary heating system itself. This is typically an electric resistance heater or a gas furnace. Some common issues include 1. Faulty heating elements in electric resistance heaters 2. Ignition problems in gas furnaces 3. Dirty or clogged filters reducing airflow 4. Tripped circuit breakers or blown fuses.
When to call a professional.
If you've tried the steps above and are still experiencing cold air from your auxiliary heat, it's time to call a professional HVAC technician. They'll have the tools and expertise to diagnose and fix the issue quickly and safely. Fixing your auxiliary heat blowing cold air can be as simple as adjusting your thermostat settings or clearing debris from your heat pump. However, if the issue persists, it's important to call a professional to ensure the problem is resolved safely and efficiently.